today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a token from your Phantom wallet with ease and confidence. Whether you're tidying up your holdings or simply streamlining your view, this guide will help you manage your tokens effectively. To start off, open the Phantom application on your device. Once you have the app up and running, ensure that you're logged into your account. Logging in is essential, as this grants you access to view and manage all your tokens. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you can see your account balance prominently displayed, along with all the tokens you currently hold. You'll also notice a few key features on your screen. These include options to receive tokens, send them, swap them with others, or purchase new ones. However, our focus today is on managing these tokens rather than altering them. To proceed with removing a token, you'll need to access the Manage Tokens section. For most users, this involves clicking on a small three-dot icon. This icon is typically located somewhere convenient on your screen, often near where your tokens are listed. It's your gateway to a more tailored and organized wallet experience. Selecting the Manage Tokens option will bring up a comprehensive list of all the tokens you currently have. This list is instrumental for keeping track of your digital assets. Now, if you wish to remove a token from this list, here's what you do. Simply scroll through until you find the specific token you want to remove. Once you've located it, look for a toggle button adjacent to it. Tapping this toggle button will effectively remove the token from your displayed list. After you have removed the token, let's go back to the home page. Take a moment to appreciate how the interface looks cleaner. The token you removed should no longer be visible. In this example, the change is immediately apparent with the absence of the token. This streamlined view makes it easier to focus on the tokens and balances that matter most without unnecessary clutter. If, however, you find yourself in a situation where you need to bring back a token you've removed, the process is just as simple. Go back into Manage Tokens, find the token you wish to reinstate, and tap on the toggle button once more. This action will return the token to your home page, ensuring that you can access it with ease whenever you need it again. Managing your tokens in Phantom is straightforward and an excellent way to keep your digital financial space organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining today, and happy managing.